Hello friends, today we are dealing with the model for cooperativity. Two different models have been proposed to explain the sigmoidal kinetics, that is cooperativity of the allosteric enzyme. First is progressive model. It is proposed that subunit conformation is changed one by one upon binding of substrate molecule onto the enzyme. The binding of substrate at one active site induces a conformational change on the protein, which is conveyed to other active sites, leading to the conversion of TANES, that is T state, to relax, that is R state. Second is concerted model. It is proposed that the enzyme molecule exists in two states, namely low activity, low affinity tense state and high activity, high affinity relaxed state. In other words, all subunit change the conformation simultaneously. The T and R state are in dynamic equilibrium in the cell, and the substrate binds only to the R state, resulting in the product formation, and this leads to the conversion of more T state to R state to maintain the equilibrium. If you like the video, share with your friends and please do subscribe our YouTube channel. Hit the bell icon to get update of latest notification from our channel. Thank you.